Hello, guys. How are you? I am fine. I hope you are doing well. Today, my topic is English. Why English is important? Lot of people ask me, lot of people pointed me, why are you learning speak English after this age? You have good business, you have you are stable in Mumbai, you have everything, but why need to learn speak English? So guys, I want to say that if you have time, you should learn speak English, because English is not a language. English is a skill, because if you know English, you can go abroad, you can go everywhere, you can go South India. If you go South India, it means I means Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. There people don't know Hindi language. If you know Hindi, you are not able to go South India. If you know English, you can go China, America, Japan, Canada, everywhere you can go. You can go easily everywhere. So, so, so I want to say that, guys, don't afraid to other criticism. Everyone told me you are becoming Angrez, but don't don't listen. Like, don't listen that point. You should learn anyhow. You should learn speak English, because no need to swim in sea. But if you know swim, will be better your life. It is a skill. No need to make food, but you if you know make a food, if you know make a cook, you can make. If you know cook, it is a skill. Every skill everyone should learn, because if you earn money, can take your money anyone. But if you have knowledge, if you are if you have good skill, can't take anyone. So guys, a lot of skill you should save, you should learn, because uh, I want to say that is important point. If you know swim, if you able to talk in English, if you know cook, can't can't take anyone. But if you have lot of money, if you have lot of gold, you if you have goods, can take everyone. But if you have ability, if you have good skill, can't take anyone. Can't divide anyone. So that's why, guys, don't afraid to other criticism. If you have a strong intent, you should learn speak English. You should practice always. You should do everything. Okay. But lot of people will tell you should not learn English. In Hindi is most important. We should know Hindi. It is okay. It is a native language. Native language is most important. But uh, if you talk about profession life, profession life is most important English, because English is global language. That's why, guys, I would say that listen my point carefully. You should learn speak English anyhow, any price, any time. But if you want to learn speak English, you have to spend time. If you consistency, then you can learn easily. Otherwise, you can't learn easily. You have to spend time. If you want to take anything between 1 month, 2 months, it is not possible. You have to give time. Then, guys, gradually you can do everything. I want to say that one point: you are educated person. You have good education. You are younger, so you can learn easily any language. You can achieve anything. Depend on your goal. So don't afraid. Don't frustrate. So I am 50. I am illiterate. I did class 6. Even then, I am able to learn and speak English. So, guys, if you work hard, everything possible. But everything depend on your hard work. Hard work is most important our life. Okay. So, guys, today I haven't any time. I did some late because I haven't time. Today is Monday. Monday is very busy, quite hectic my time. That's why I have lot of customer. But actually, guys, I want to learn speak English. That's why I spend every day 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, depend on my time. So, guys, listen my point carefully. Please don't afraid to other criticism. If you have any goal, 100% you can achieve anyhow. But to other, if you afraid to other criticism, you can't achieve any goal. Okay, that's why I would say that don't afraid. Okay, if you have goal, if you have good goal, then you no need to afraid to any other. So, guys, 1 years ago, I would say that really I was not able to talk at all English, but I spent 1 year continue. I am consistency. I talk every day. I waste time only day. I talk every day 30 minutes, 25 minutes, depend on time. But minimum I spend time minimum 30 minutes every day. Then I am able to talk. Doesn't matter you are good education, you have good education. Doesn't matter you haven't education. If you are consistency, you can learn easily. If you are a hard worker, you can learn easily. So no need to worry, guys. Okay. So no need to worry. You can learn easily. But uh, you have to give time every day. Without absent time, you have to give every day 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, depend on English is easy. While going, while coming, you can talk. Okay. While going, while working, lot of application you can see, you can download by play. Thank you so much. I hope if I make mistake, you can correct, sir. Thank you so much. I will upload tomorrow other video. Thank you so much.